CoryxKenshin. Yes, I parried a chainsaw with a knife. Yeah, this game is peak. Resident Evil 4 demo, bruh. Let's get it.
Oh, I need a grenade.
Wait, demo. Whoa, he shot the axe? What the hell? Hold on. Is this on PS5? You want a gameplay, bro? Let me know.
Oh, hold up.
That was actually smooth, bro. What the?
Oh, I need a grenade. Oh, hold up. Blast on him. Yeet. Come here. First you. You're next. You next. Wait, I'm sorry, pal.
Damn.
Oh, get off. Oh, yes.
Hey, yo.
Oh, wait, it's a new
It is PS5 demo. Y'all want that gameplay? Let me know. Let me know.
Welcome to the Resident Evil 4 remake.
Sheesh.
Chainsaw demo. Whoa. What is that? What's happening? You guys feel that? The height. Taking over my body. I'm sorry. We're gonna start game. Wow. It's a sad day. I can hear the comments, guys. Listen. It's a sad day when the Resident Evil 4 remake made it to the channel before Village did. Listen. I'm aware I have failed you in that regard. That doesn't change the fact Village is still coming.
It's all good.
Anyways.
It's all good.
I'm tired of hearing that. Today, we're just gonna be playing the Resident Evil 4.
Bro, y'all really gotta understand, bro. Yo, I hope. Corey, you better play Budokai Tenkaichi 4 when that drop. Bruh, this game, this year, well, I don't know this year, but this year we've heard a lot of good games coming out. Bro, this year is stacked with games, okay? My bitch ass still needs to get God of War, MW2, Need for Speed. I have a whole list of games I want to get, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot. It's a lot. You know what I'm saying? Bro, you gotta give him, you feel me? Just, I don't know how to explain it, bro. Just, you can't really be on his ass about these games, bro. Especially now, because all these games are coming out and shit, boy.
For demo, the remake comes out in a few weeks now. Resident Evil 4, I want to say it's either second place or tied for first with the classic Resident Evil 2. So, let's do this. If you're hype, is that like
September 30th.
Hold on. Yeah.
Hype.
Kiss face.
Is that like
September 30th, 1998.
Hold on, I want to see
I'll never
something.
forget.
Leon?
The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella.
Talk to him.
Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked
Fresh cut.
to join a top secret government program.
What's up, Adam?
Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything.
Oh, dang!
Damn.
That was
I could
Krauser.
just forget what happened that night. Pain.
Whoa.
It can be
Kendo.
different.
Oh no.
It has to.
Ada.
That's not good.
No. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Y'all know I could be a voice actor, right? No! Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe.
I know this is a game, but bro, because this ain't the first time I'm hearing or watching some bullshit like this. The president and their kid. Bruh, you're the fucking president. How does your daughter go missing? You know what I'm saying? Like how? All that security on you, boy. That guy's
Locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Talk to him, Cory.
See what's taking so long.
Cory.
Yo, it looks kind of blurry.
Yeah.
But is it my? Oh wait, crouch with circle? Okay.
Is it the fog?
Right. We could crouch. Maybe it's because it's dark. The graphics do look good.
I think it's the fog. Yeah, it's the fog.
Okay. Hold on, let me turn this up. Y'all know what time it is. Lights off, headphone volume maxed out.
How far could he have gone?
Good question, Leon. Good question. Wait, what are we even talking about?
Whoa.
Yeah. Y'all remember what's about to happen right here?
Bro, last Resident Evil, I think it was 3. Yeah, 3.
Y'all remember what's about to happen right here?
Is that a jump scare? Fuck.
Anyone home?
Who closed the door? Okay, so they definitely changed up this initial apartment. Dang!
Whoa.
All right, you running too fast.
Facts.
Slow it down, Leon. Just take my time. What's this? Hasta el fin. Viviremos contigo.
Hasta el fin viviremos contigo. No temeremos. What? What's that? Temeremos? I don't know. Until the end, we will live with you. I don't know that last word.
Los toreros. Excuse me, sir.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
Sorry to barge in like this.
You good, gang? Está bien? Oh, they speak Spanish?
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
You actually speaking Spanish this time?
That's gangsta. That's gangsta.
Hey, you look good. Pause.
No pause, Cory. Come on. I'll let him know. Oh, shit.
Uh-oh.
Mario Fernandez Castaño. Policía activo. Active police.
Oh. How'd you get this? Oh! How did he try to knife that fast?
Damn! Broke his
You
shit.
just cracked dude's neck with a kick?
That's crazy. Put this man.
Oh,
Put this.
he did.
Put this man in the UFC.
Bro, this man Leon is a Power Ranger.
Bro, and the fact he went like this with the knife blade on his hand. That boy got bulletproof gloves on right now. Thick ass leather.
Bro, this man Leon is a Power Ranger.
Or as Dashi would say, leather.
Did you see that kick?
Good.
Oh boy.
Man, that stinks.
They cooking them hair? Ugh. Alright, hold up. My little knife out. How did he draw the knife that quick though?
Yeah.
Somebody answer. Oh, bro. You trying to look at cat guts? Policia! Hey, rest in peace, Mario Fernandez. He was in the game for 3.9 seconds. Actually, he's not even in the game yet. The gun out.
What the fuck?
Oh boy. Oh boy. Hello.
Keep turning, gang. Oh,
Ooh,
that
rat, you almost
thick
got
ass
shot.
rat.
You almost got shot, rat.
This in New York?
Watch your left, Leon. Come on. Just be walking in rooms.
Hey.
Oh shit.
Yo.
That boy dead. What are you on?
Oh.
Fuck. Nasty.
Got his neck slit.
I read you. What's your situation?
Oh, it's the other cop.
What the hell's going on?
Well, I mean, This cop escaped from the Hunter's Lodge.
Oh.
He fared better in this remake than he did in the original. They had that sucker on a barbecue.
What was that?
That was a door.
On a barbecue.
Can I crouch and aim? No. Okay. Anybody coming around this corner?
Yeah.
Okay. We're good. We're good.
Oh shit.
I wonder if they could. Oh!
No way.
That's the same fucking. Oh.
He...
Bitch, who you supposed to bite? Who you trying to bite? Mr. Headass.
Oh, what? He... The frick off. Alright, can I can't see, huh?
This just keeps getting worse.
Shoot him again. Hey, you gotta watch for the cop.
Why he dead like that? When I shot him in the head, there was no stutter. There was no stumble. Y'all know I hate when they just walk through headshots, man.
6
they
bullets.
need a little stun or something. If I'm landing headshots, reward me for that game. Oh, shoot. Oh. Okay, hold up. Let me see what this stealth combat is about. Y'all know I hate stealth, but...
That boy sound like the
Give it
Grudge.
a shot. Can I just walk up?
Don't.
Dashy, what they saying?
Dashy, I got you. Hold on.
Can I just walk up?
You can run, but you can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide.
Dashy, what they saying?
I got you, Corey. Come on.
Okay, one dude's... Why do they have to have a guy right there? You know what?
And why is he facing the wall? Corey.
Oh, he's trying to throw his knife. Come on, slash.
Nah, bro. 3 bullets to the head is crazy.
Get that out of here. Coming in. I'm coming in with the dagger.
That boy got unlimited axes.
All right. Dodge it. Oh, parry. Bro, get up close to him. Parry with L1. We on that Sekido Shadows Die Twice.
What?
I have no ammo. This ain't good. This not good. I don't know why I had to engage those guys.
That's the one thing I hated about this, bro.
Bro, why my antivirus on the screen? Move.
You gotta find the
All right, where's the
bullets.
Oh, wait.
The ammo.
Give me that herbs. Give me that herbs. There's got to be some ammo.
Pot.
Somewhere close. I can't continue this demo.
You got nothing in that gun, gang.
Your clip's empty.
Yeah.
I don't know why you holding that out.
Yo, this boy look like he should be in High School Musical, bro. No cap. That friggin' luscious ass hair.
Is that her?
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
Hey, Hunnigan.
Yeah.
Baby Eagle.
What's up, baby?
It's likely she's in this village.
They made her black.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
You're not
Location on a
saying.
nearby lake.
Holla at me.
She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here.
You look good, baby.
My escorts are.
Turn around.
Gotta
Yep.
go. Talk later.
It's the homie. Oh shit.
Oh.
No, this is somebody else.
Oh, I got no ammo.
I'll let myself out.
Oh, bruh. They
Too
gonna
easy.
follow you? You gonna throw it?
What's good?
Ugly. Fuck you,
Look
boy.
at him sizing me up from the window.
Ugly.
But y'all notice, Leon doesn't have no fear in his heart. He said, oh, it's 3 of y'all? I let myself out. See, in Normie, they would have started doodling on themselves, like, right there on the spot. Leon already been through this. Alright.
Imagine the house was like 3 stories and he jumped,
Still
bro.
haven't dropped any ammo for me.
crazy. Oh, that's not good. Is that a black fucking hawk or some
I'm gonna
shit?
need something. And real soon.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
Red Eagle.
Go ahead, reload.
2
Oh,
clips.
you could. I was about to say you could save a demo. Gunpowder. Okay, so we crafting. Say less. I'm reloaded. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, I just reloaded when my clip was full, so I got 10 plus 1. That's 11.
What's that mean though? Wait, does that mean the first shot's gonna shoot 2 bullets?
Dang, I wish I knew what they were saying. Oh, Wolfie.
I can't hear. From the back, so we can capture him, something
Dang, I
like
wish I
that.
knew what they were saying. Oh, Wolfie.
E.
The wolf's dead on this one? How come we couldn't save him? Oh, give me that. Give me that. Pesetas.
Money.
How?
Cory.
Run up, run up, run up. Oh! Is he dead? Dang!
Night night.
What's good, buddy?
Ugly.
Bunk! Woo!
Yo, the kick is.
Don't get up. Don't. I said, oh! Dang!
The kick is more powerful than the
don't get
gun,
up,
bro. That's crazy.
Wait, reload. Oh, this game about to be a breeze. Oh! Oh! Bro, I didn't even see it.
Oh,
see, normal
shit.
person, they would have canceled the mission right there. Oh, this the part right here.
The barbecue man.
Shoot. Dang, it's so much harder to see on this one.
This is a game, YouTube. I don't know if I should cover this or not.
What a way to die.
Nah,
See,
that's
on the
tough.
classic one, I would just sit here for like 20 minutes because they would just be talking. All the villagers, hey, gasquete. Hey, I got. Hey, acá.
Over here.
I don't know what they would be saying.
Yo.
I know we about to get busy though.
Damn,
Get
look
a
at the
reload.
slots, bro. What's that? You can carry 2 guns. I mean, I'm assuming you can carry more than 2 guns. A flashbang, a grenade, maybe melee weapons.
I know we about to get busy
Stacked.
though. Let me hit a reload. Bro, I can almost understand. I need to get back on my Duolingo. Here we go. Bonk. No reaction. No reaction.
Fuck
All right.
that.
First of all, let's try and get into a defensible position. Wait, what the?
Uh-oh. Cory.
Come here, girl. All right. Is this
Cory,
a dead
behind you.
end? Please don't tell me this is a dead end. All right, go ahead and reload.
Oh, shit.
Why do I feel like I'm running so slow?
Yeah.
Like, pick up some speed, bro.
Nope.
What?
Cory.
He-
Man,
what?
dude. Oh.
What? He-
Half? Yep, half his health. Got a little briefcase. That's cool.
Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. All right.
Hell.
Oh, we got an herb. We got an herb. Give me the red one. Give me the red one. Leon, turn around. Oh, I need a grenade. Oh,
That was
hold on,
cool.
flash on him. Yeet. Come here. Come here. First you, and then you're next. Okay, R2. Oh,
damn.
yeah. Come on, then you next. Woo! Oh, wait. I'm sorry, pal. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Give me the money. Oh, how y'all doing?
What the
Y'all
fuck?
see what happened to your friends?
These people are brolic, bro.
You next?
What the hell?
Oh, shoot. All right, go back. I hear. Woo! I hear whispering. Oh, all right, hold up. We got to get through them. Move, banana! Bonk!
The cow. Oh,
Oh,
fuck.
oh,
Oh,
man.
grandma.
I
Grandma.
gotta get through. I gotta pardon me, excuse me. All right, hold up. Pizza man, help us, save us. Get into this room. Triggers a cutscene. Still things are the same. Oh, wait. Yeah, close that.
I would have fought him off. I would have fought them off, boy.
Oh, chainsaw.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Oh, I can assure you they're not kidding.
Is that the same motherfucker from the house?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
I think it is.
I can assure you they're not kidding.
Bruh.
Push the things in the way.
Were you supposed to do this or fight him off for real, for real?
Look how cool, calm, and collected this man is. All right,
Go
push
upstairs.
that. Oh, he's chasing. Get upstairs. Get upstairs. Shotgun still where I left it. Thank you.
Oh, nice.
Okay, all right. Grenade. I'm gonna take that.
Oh my. Yo.
Ooh, that looked like it hurt. Goodbye. All right, hold up. Can I still jump out? Yeah, get out, get out.
What is. This is
Alright.
hectic, gang.
Chainsaw dude. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna get the grenade out. Wait, not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet. Who behind me? Oh, there's a chainsaw. There's a chainsaw. Grenade right there. Woo! Where you at? Where you at? Boom!
Next.
Boom! Oh, he had the audacity to say next.
Is he running? He's running.
All right, we jumping off. Yeet!
What?
Oh! Who hit me?
What the fuck?
Hold on, go this way, go this way.
Yo, this is nerve wracking,
Get
boy.
inside. Get inside, Leon. Get inside. Wait, wait, oh! Oh, get the... Oh! Wait, you out there? Bro! Move,
Bro.
the chainsaw dude's coming. Get out. All right, give me that. Give me that. Give me the money. Wait, why are you here? All right, you can
Yo,
go in.
this is
Reload,
hectic.
reload. Bro, they're everywhere.
Kidding me.
All right. Oh, they set the cow on fire. Oh my goodness. All right, turn around. Turn around, turn around. Cow on fire. Oh my goodness.
My man said, oh my goodness. Does he have a lisp? I think he has a little
All
lisp.
right, turn around. Turn around, turn around.
Yo,
As long as
what
the
the
chainsaw-
fuck is
Look
this,
at
bro?
this. Move.
This is.
Kick him. All right. Let me climb up to the bell tower. Yo, what's up, Grandpa? Move. Yeet. Bell tower. Oh, yeah. We camping up here, baby. Do they still throw Molotovs up here?
Probably.
Oh! There's a fight!
Oh, he fell right on him. He fell right on him, bro.
So don't go to the bell tower. The floor collapsed
Lesson
and it was
learned.
100 dudes surrounding me.
Bro, I'm throwing hands, bro.
Boom! All right.
Bruh.
What's up, you guys?
This is crazy.
Okay, Leon with the lines. Yeah. Come here.
Get him,
Come here, buddy. Boom! He's eating those. Bro, get on the ground.
Bro, this is hectic, gang.
Oh, shoot. Don't climb up there.
Big move. Damn.
Get the shotgun out.
Is it deflect?
Get off! Oh! Animation saved me.
This is tough. He's about to get stabbed in his ass.
Let's pause the game and heal. Okay. We're back in.
And I did it.
Bro, why do they just... Oh my... Oh my... What the...
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? I can go upstairs.
What the... Get off! Oh, you gonna smack me when I get the dude off?
This is
All right.
crazy.
I got something for you. Get off! I didn't... Ah! I kicked it. Why did he jump down? All right, come on.
Who are you pointing at?
Bonk! All right. Another herb. Stop running! Bro, his reload speed is boo-boo! Nope, not happening. He tried to come through. Climb up. Climb up. Hey guys, pop, go, the weed, pop, pop, pop. Pull down.
Finally.
Let's go.
Ooh. That little angle, bro. That angle was clean.
Pull down.
One hand that
Let's
bitch.
go.
Ooh. Gangster.
Reload. My chainsaw dude took 4 headshots before he let go.
Did he die?
Come here. Alright, where the chainsaw dude at? I want to kill him.
He's still not dead?
They
Bruh.
throwing stuff too. Come on. Set this up. Come on, climb up, baby. Why is there always somebody where I'm going, dude? Like, that's not making any sense. Move! Alright. Turn around.
Yo.
What are you randomly doing up here?
This is, yo.
Alright. Where's the chainsaw dude?
Right behind you. Damn.
Bro.
Ran into that
their
box.
reaction time is nice. Oh, there he is! Alright, I'm at the parry him. Oh, let's go! Get off me! I don't know how that's possible. I just parried a chainsaw. Oh my goodness, get inside! Woo!
Yo. I'm not feeling his movement. It's like you go one way, you try to go turn around, it like stacks.
Get inside!
Right here.
Woo!
He's like, not that way. I don't like that.
Huh?
Oh, I'm still fighting.
La
Oh,
campana.
Oh shit.
Al que obedece.
Él nos invoca.
What?
That grass texture looks horrible.
Ooh. The chainsaw man.
Tenemos
We have
que servir.
to serve. What the
Bro,
fuck?
I would just be getting headshots. Like,
Bro, I'm folding them, bro. Cheap. I'm cheap shopping all of them.
Lord Settler. Where's everybody going? Bingo.
Hey
Come on, do the
man,
line, Leon.
gotta burn that motherfucker down.
I was wondering.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Big go.
Oh yeah, baby.
Jeez.
Sign me up.
Sheesh.
I'm here. Oh, let's go. Only killed 15 people? Trash. Oh. See, they know what they're doing.
The 24th of this month, bro. 14 days.
Just a little dribble. Just a few crumbs. Y'all trying to see a full Resident Evil 4 remake
Are we?
on the channel.
Are we?
March 24th. You know what to do. Be sure to samurai slice that like.
Are we?
Subscribe today to join the
Are
server.
we?
And until next time, my brothers and sisters.
Hey man, we gonna see if he's, you know what I'm saying. Bro, this shit look good, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all want that demo? Let me know, I'll play this bitch myself. You feel me? Wait, do I need PlayStation Plus? Fuck, I do. I do. Bro, my shit expired back in November, bro. I haven't touched my PS5 in a while. It's crazy. Yeah, no, this shit look good, bro. Like I said, the last one I played was, I'm pretty sure it was 3. And that was on the, no. Was it 3? The last one on PS3 is the one I played. I don't know if that was 2 or 3. But shit, hey. Let me know, y'all. Let me know. That's my reaction. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe if you haven't. And I'm out.